You're more than welcome to take photos and videos, but you gotta go back to that intersection. I'm gonna be moving my car back there and the road's closed, okay?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. This video comes to you by way of PC Audits. He's another auditor recording out there in Canada. Clearly, Canadian police need to be recorded as well. Check out this video. We'll pause for some comments, and I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
So you're gonna tape it off, I guess? Or?
Yeah, I'm putting my car across to block traffic. You can grab your bike and move back.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab my camera and stuff and move back. Okay, guys, this really serious. You see that car up there? Took quite the spill and ended up on the hydro pole right there.
Chris, please move now. Chris?
I'm moving.
Oh yeah, I'm asking.
Once you put the tape up, I'll be going back there.
No, I'm asking you to move now. The road is closed. Please move.
Yeah, I gotta get my stuff.
Yep, you can put your camera away. Please move. Now.
I'll put it away when I want to.
Chris, the road is closed.
Yeah, good for you. I'm gonna still film. Don't tell me to put my fucking camera away. Yeah.
Go now, please.
Yeah. Don't tell me this. I'm leaving.
Okay.
I could be on someone's property right now and stay here. If I knew someone. What? No, if someone let me come on. Can I come on your property?
Chris, please move.
This cop just called this man by his name, which means he knows who the man is and what he's there to do. Record and document the scene. What is it about people recording police that makes a cop hate them? If the cop was a good cop who did his job correctly, wouldn't he be happy to see you? Like, all right, this is my time to shine. It's in police policy to act professionally. Instead, they act tyrannical. They have too much of an ego to be courteous to you. The idea of being held accountable goes against their narcissism. The Canadian police also like to use the blue line to symbolize their loyalty to themselves and each other, and it makes me wonder if that line extends to their corporate masters as well. They surely don't like criticism. The people have a right to press on. They need to stop abusing authority that they don't have. Check out this next clip. This cop's gonna get butthurt and do the walk of shame.
Hey guys, I gotta go see this girl. Hey man, enjoy 5 minutes. I appreciate you guys. Stay out of trouble, guys. You too. All right, man. Take care, guys. Yes, sir. I got one of those too.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Not bad. You?
Everything well?
What?
Everything well?
Everything.
If you don't mind the spotlights in my eyes, do you mind turning that off?
What?
I prefer if you turn off your spotlight.
Yeah, I know you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. How are you, buddy? Everything good? I just wanted to show you my camera too. So
Those lights, man.
what are you up to?
No, that's
I didn't ask you to come by, man.
Oh, we're just saying hi, man. You mind just taking
Oh, say hi.
You can have the camera in my face. That's fine. I just don't want the light in my face, dude.
Well, I can't see it, but what's your name, Pastor?
Mohan, and then 12323.
The irony, folks. Isn't it funny how this cop is getting upset about the flashlight in his eyes, but the flashlights that cops use to put in our eyes are way more powerful, and they do it all the time. I have several videos on my channel where cops like to do that to me.
Yeah, man.
No idea. I thought we were 51. That's just up the
Oh,
road.
you're a little lost.
We are a little up the road.
Lost in. So you're from out of the city? Please, I asked you to turn off that.
You can film
That's
us all
really
you
not
want.
kind,
it's
eh?
just the light's very bright, man.
So the truth is you're unkind. So we're gonna leave now.
Yeah.
Okay,
You take care.
see you later.
Bye.
What?
Yeah.
What's your name? Your badge number?
12323.
Right on. Thanks, man. Please.
There have been several channels coming out of Canada, and I think that's a great thing. Many want to talk about what Justin Trudeau is doing to Canada, but these auditors are actually doing something about it. They're teaching the Canadian people they have rights. Auditing is a worldwide phenomenon that gained traction fast. People holding government accountable makes total sense. Police around the world have adopted the Blue Line flag, United States, the UK, Canada, and more. Now all these countries are showing tyrannical behavior. No accountability, cops who don't know the laws, a just comply mentality. The first cop in the video knew his name and tried to bully him. The second cop got the light in his face after he got right up in the auditor's personal space. How do cops expect people to treat them when they treat the people with contempt? Police are earning the hate on the entire planet. This is world news, folks. Cops are being given a gun and a badge without knowing that people have natural rights. People all around the world need to unite and make police officers have accountability. That's what the auditing community has unintentionally done. The auditing community has brought people together on a social media platform to have a common knowledge of natural rights. How did we get this far, just handing over all the power to the government without accountability or transparency? I believe those days are just about over, folks. The people are aware and have decided to do something about it peacefully, and that's a good thing. I want to thank all of you for tuning in. Please go subscribe to PC Audits and let him know that I sent you. His channel link will be in the description and in the pinned comment of the video. I want to say thank you to all the channels out there in Canada. It's about time that I start sharing your videos and getting you guys out there. All right, folks, we'll see you guys on the next video. Have yourselves a blessed day and always record the police.